Hey y'all, welcome to Story Time with Nani Pop. I'm Nani Pop, and I love reading. Love it. I hope that in the time that we get to spend together, you will go out and find these books, put them on your shelf, and read them again and again and again with me or with those who love you so much. From my heart to yours, here in Texas, Story Time with Nani Pop. Feline Fay, the funny, furry, fantastic counting cat. Written by Connie Ellsbury, illustrated by Kristen Garcia. Feline Fay lived with her dad, Tom, Mom, Molly, in a cozy cottage just north of town. The Clouders are an active family where Fay spends her days learning. Fay has a special love, a love of counting. Fay counts everything. Mom and Dad make counting games part of their daily routine. Fay and Molly are going to share a counting game that they play. Dad, Tom, left early for a day of hunting. Mom told Tom that she and Fay were going to bake something horrific to enjoy together upon his return. Fay, would you like to make cookies with me? Fay's eyes opened wide as she cheered, "Clouder Cat cookies! 1, 2, 3. Yes, 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 Mom." "Let's count it." Molly purred loudly, and into the kitchen they went. The Clouder Cat cookie counting begins. Tuna, cornmeal, milk, 3 cans of tuna. 1, 2, 3. Get them from the cupboard. Take them to the counter. 3 cups cornmeal. And into the bowl they go. Three cups milk. Pour, pour, pour. Splash, 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 splash. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mom Molly opened the tuna cans. 1, 2, 3, and into the bowl they went. Blop, 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 blop. Fay was stirring the cookies. Molly took out 3 trays. And together, paw over paw, they scooped. Clouder Cat cookies in the oven. Oven temperature, 333 degrees. Timer set for 3 minutes. Wait. Ding, 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 ding. Fay and Molly took the cookies from the oven to a pretty plate. Tray 1, tray 2, tray 3, "27 cookies!" Fay and Molly hugged and purred. Dad is going to love the cookies. Molly told Fay, "Time to clean up." Bowls, spoon, pans. To the sink. Wash, wash, wash. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Dry, dry, dry. Put it all away. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just as Molly was closing the cupboard, Tom came in the door. He was sniffing. "It smells tuna-rific in here." Molly told Fay that she could get the cookies and bring them to the table for dessert. Fay leapt down and pranced to get the pretty plate of cookies. Tom and Molly started to chant, "Clowder Cat cookies! Clowder Cat cookies! Clowder Cat cookies! Clowder Cat cookies!" Fay carefully balanced the plate of cookies and set them on the dining room table. "Cookie, cookie, cookie! Dad, Mom, me!" All 3 clouders purred and chuckled, and they chewed and savored their tuna-rific cookies. While Tom and Molly talked about the day, Fay went to the couch, curled up, and softly began to purr. Clowder Cat cookies. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Zzz.